give it up. Pissing off the competition every time I win, I say it ain't enough. Funny when you on a whole nother level, they telling you out of touch. Back when you couldn't pick me out the bunch, I had to shine to get up out the rough. You tried to kick me down, but now I'm clutch. I used to say it's up, but now it's stuck. If you ain't ballin' with me, better bounce. No, we can't kick it, kid, I kick you out. They love to close the doors up in my face. Now look at their faces running out of doubt. I had so many demons that would echo the words that you speaking that I couldn't count. But couldn't keep me down, couldn't stay down. Trying to take my pain out. Trying to take my pain out. Bitch, you feel my pain now. Ayy, moving for the takedown. These days does be a dime and a dozen. You ain't got enough, I got mine in abundance. Old heads mad cause I am what it wasn't. I can never trip on the phone with no luggage. You was cussing on the name, now you call the kid cousin. I'm done with the fakes, I got enough love. Plus I be rushing for change, but I'm stuck in my ways. I'm corrupt in a way, I was stuck in the mud. They was chucking the shade, couldn't show them no pride. I just tucked it away, glowed up, flexing that muscle for gains. Now cousins look at me like one of the greats. To keep it 100, I keep them correct. Walk through the war without seeing a threat. Casualties lying beneath every step. They said I'm on truth, but there ain't many left. I'm giving out smoke, you can see every breath. They say they want it, but they ain't direct. I still give it to them nevertheless. Put those on strap, boy, I been in they neck. Pull your card in the field, boy, I been like a rep. More than a risk I can take now. I'ma take heads when I take crowns. When I take revenge, homie, I'ma take my pain out. Trying to take my pain out. Feel my pain now. Niggas gonna take time. Better not make no sudden moves. I got way too much to prove. Hit the battle with a Venus. I ain't just tryna leave you with impressions. Boy, I'm the new recruit, a real hoe. You know the kingdom needed some protection. I cut the enemies down to the knees. Guess that's the word to taking effect. I try to try your luck with the elite. We snapping on anyone posing a threat. Now you get the picture. Don't put my back up against the wall. You can force my hand, let's bear us off. Kingdom on back for a back them off. I was singing no doubt, I'll attack them all. I prove it. Word on my battle scars and my boots. Already immortalized on my rise. Two blades got my back when I'm moving. We coming to cut them down to our size. Better not make no sudden moves. I got way too much to prove. I want my revenge. You got so much you can lose. Come my way, that's on you. And that's a shame. I say sorry in advance, but there's nothing I would change. I just strike and roll. Strike and roll. Strike and roll. And that's a shame. I ain't playing by your rules. I'ma take that to your grave. I'ma strike and roll. Stranger, I keep composed. I was built for the most unpredictable. All in due time, I'll break the mold. I can never waste time cause I made a note. Put my life on the line till it's told. Dice y'all up when I strike, so you hope. Bringing hell to a demon on the war to the zone. Waste y'all time, all minds in control. Letting y'all know, y'all trying to go to war with a warrior. I got a brand new job for a coroner. I can see the future is all in my favor. Look at my past, only way that I'm a warrior. Take no time, I'ma take what's mine. Don't take no rest, I'll put it to the test. Y'all better take notes. In every new field, y'all know I was chosen to make y'all kneel. Yeah. Better not make no sudden moves. I got way too much to prove. I want my revenge. You got so much you can lose. Come my way, that's on you. And that's a shame. I say sorry in advance, but there's nothing I would change. I just strike and roll. Strike and roll. Strike and roll. And that's a shame. I ain't playing by your rules. I'ma take that to your grave. I'ma strike and roll. story for retreat. Couldn't count the demons that I beat. They can't compare to others you don't see. No room in my story for retreat. No one by my side, I say that's more glory for me. Soon you'll understand, I know that crown is in my reach. I came to send a message if you're coming in between. Better not make no sudden moves. I got way too much to prove. I ain't playing by your rules. I'ma take that to your grave. I'ma strike it, strike it, strike it, strike it, strike it.
Yeah, be phenomenal or be for God. They fall like dominoes, soft as Kai. Mad I lost it, sick I'm toxic. I know I got it, ready I'm ready, come test my ride. Time is ticking, man, we ain't waiting all day. No politicking or ego tripping, you late. New day means new games. Leg day, how I move weights. With my crew like Wu-Tang. This Batman, not Bruce Wayne. You wanna be safe or stronger? I'm ready for war, I'm covered in armor. I'm ready for war, I'm covered in armor. Making them proud or making them pay. I'm running the game, I'm running it up. Don't wanna get burnt, don't play with the flame. Too out to touch. Facing the storm, I fight through the pain. I go how I go, think I'm going insane. Know it's a stake, do what you want, just stay out the way. Hey, get ready, I'm running. Oh yeah, we coming. Keeping the winds abundant. No pain, I numb it. Hard times, I love it. Don't duck when they coming. These legs ain't running. I'ma keep it 100. Never been a crash dummy. All I do is get money, dummy. They want me to stop, but I keep it going. Don't like to talk, so leave me alone.